It looks like it's 90 degrees to the runway.
Trim.
Only about 3 or 4 knots.
Trim.
Good, the nose hasn't changed. Beautiful. Beautiful.
And looking for 80. Without descending. Alright, 80.
It'll settle in there if you did your trim.
And I'm going to go ahead, turn.
Yep. See, it looks like you're a little bit wide here, but
yeah.
You know, so you're turning just a little earlier. That's fine.
Because I can probably. Oh yeah, wait, don't. There we go.
Very good. You're
1, 2, 3.
Try and do half flaps, son.
1, 2.
That way you only have to judge your glide path based on 2 flap setting or 3 flap settings, none
okay.
20 and full.
Cecil County Claremont traffic on final for runway 13. Oh, whoops.
This looks about normal to me.
Okay, it doesn't look low?
Nope.
Okay. Oh, is it because it's downhill?
Yep. Okay, and rudder for alignment.
Rudder
aileron.
ailerons. Ooh.
And go ahead, full flaps.
All right.
Left rudder.
Left rudder, right aileron. No, left rudder.
Yeah, that's the left one.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, it's going to settle in because the wind's coming here and it's dumping.
Yep.
Okay, so be ready to add a little power. Let's get it on the center line.
Ah.
Hold it off. Hold it off.
Boom.
Pull, pull.
Pull, 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 pull.
Okay, brakes evenly together. Okay. I got your flaps, you get the car beat. Let's taxi back for short field takeoff.
Short field takeoff.
That'll be a 10-degree flap. Rotated about 60.
I got off that runway a little bit better that time.
Yep. So how much power you got there? Okay, 1, 2, and 3. You understand what I'm saying? Power back a little bit so you aren't dragging the brakes. Do you understand what I was saying about the...
I feel like when I'm that close to the ground, it's hard for me to like listen to what you're saying.
Yeah. And
like also focus on what I'm doing.
Yep, slow down a little bit. Okay. So it's 55, 60. We rotate. Okay.
Wait, dive away, right?
Yep, dive away over that way.
That way.
Oh, goddamn.
Inches?
Yep. What happened that time? Just didn't flare enough, right?
Yeah.
And you're
well, I thought I flared too much because I started going back up.
I don't think so.
Or I flared too early.
You got to get that crosswind correction in, alignment. You were getting kind of, okay, which rudder do I, you left. Okay.
Well, because you keep saying like, right aileron, right rudder, right
left aileron, right rudder.
Yeah, and it's confusing me.
Okay, well, I'll shut up then. All right, take off.
Unless I'm about to crash or something.
Okay, give me a short field takeoff. So use that all available runway. I've got 10 degrees of flaps. We're going to climb at 68. Go
that way?
No, all available, as far as I'm concerned, is right there.
The white line?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Staying in the pattern?
Yep.
Cecil County Claremont traffic, Cessna 715, taking off runway 13, staying in the pattern. Okay. So not past the white line?
Nope.
Okay.
Let's pretend that's the end of the runway.
All right, end of the runway.
Goddamn. Okay, full power, and be ready to go full power, and don't stop.
All right.
Remember, climb at 68. Until you're clear of the obstructions, then lower the nose and accelerate. Okay. Go Go ahead and bring the nose on. 68, 68.
Whoa!
Little change in wind direction there. Okay, we've cleared the obstructions.
All right, so now just normal. Do I bring the flaps up?
Not yet. Get your speed down. You don't want to stall, do you?
No.
Look how close you are to clean stall.
Okay.
So you lower your nose.
Lower the nose.
Get your speed up to about 70.
Oh my goodness.
Yep, and then bring your flaps up a little bit at a time. Rudder. Got kind of dark down there where we went through a little bit ago.
And the rest of the way up. Turn.
Whenever you want.
I'll try to do this. All right, do not look. Still climbing. And roll out.
Look at the runway, 90 degrees, beautiful.
Hey.
Okay.
And another turn.
Yeah.
Woo! Still climbing to 1,000. Pitch power trim. Cecil County, Claremont traffic, Cessna 715 on left downwind for runway 13. Wah! Yep. I could probably just pull the power back more.
Yeah.
Ay, 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 ay.
Not going anywhere but on downwind.
Why did it get so windy and weird?
The winds have kind of calmed down. So now you're flying over hillier terrain, more trees.
1,500.
And water.
1, 2, and 2.5. And pitch for 80. Make sure there's no airplanes. Stay at 1,000 feet. Probably get a little bit more power. And
yeah, but we haven't started down yet, so I wouldn't put too much power in.
okay. And I'll turn.
Okay, I gotta get some air.
Alrighty.
Okay, are we high, low, what?
Decent?
Yeah, maybe a little far out, a little low, but not bad. You could probably put the flaps in anyway.
1, 2, 3, 4.
As long as that asshole instructor in the right seat doesn't pull your engine, you know,
Oh my
you're
God.
fine.
That's why my hand's on the throttle.
Yep. This is going to be good. Start your turn out a little bit. Yeah, roll out, and you'll be on center line. Okay, rudder, aileron, flaps.
Full flaps.
See how we're ballooning there with the flaps?
Yeah. Oh God, I have an itch. Oh my God, please tell me you didn't give me fleas.
I hope not. I don't have fleas, I have mites.
Oh my God, I hope you didn't.
Right aileron, little bit of right aileron, get it on the center line. You're kind of lined up on the edge of the runway.
54 Echo at
70 miles an hour is what we're looking for.
10 miles to the west. We'll join at 45 for 28.
It's not much wind, so you won't need much correction there.
Woo. Okay, come on.
I was going to yell whoever her neighbor was there.
Papa on the 45.
Hey, power up back.
One more, stay.
Keep that stable now.
All right.
A little bit of left rudder, right aileron. Okay, there's our sinker. Pull, pull. Power back. Pull it off. Pull it off. Hold it off. Hold it off. Hold it off. Power back.
Power's all the way back.
We're still pretty light. I got your flaps. All right. Why did I get the flaps in there up so fast?
To not fly off the ground again.
Yep. That gets rid of that lift that we have.
What am I doing?
Let's go to the ramp.
Okay. I'm getting off the runway better. I'm not getting stuck.
Yeah.
The last one wasn't horrible. I feel like it's, I don't know. I think it's harder landing downhill.
It is just
like,
a little bit because you got to remember you're trying to flare and you're trying to chase the runway at the same time. So.
I'm sweaty. My summit landings were good though.
Yeah.
These were like.
The reason I wanted to take you over there is so that you can see a flat area.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the perspective.
Yep. Okay. Spinner, carb heat off. I got the avionics map.